Here's how you can enable Circle to Search on Android. So, to begin with, open up Settings on your device, then simply go ahead and look for Navigations. You could scroll down and look for it, otherwise you could tap on the search and type in Navigation. You could go to Navigation Bar. This is where it's going to take you. Underneath, you could find a navigation bar. Simply select so. Now, you want to make sure to go ahead and scroll down. You could see Circle to Search. Now, depending on the type of device that you're using, this option might be somewhere in between. So you just want to make sure to go to navigation or find out navigation, and you could also find something else for the title as well. So just look for something like Circle to Search. Now, in my case, it is currently turned on, but if you want to turn it on, then it could be something like this, right? So toggle the button, and once it turns blue, it indicates that you've successfully turned on Circle to Search. Now, in order to test it whether it has been enabled or not, simply you could go to home page, or maybe you could do it in the very right page. Just hold on to your bottom page. This is how it's going to look. Now you could go ahead and search or just do the circle thing, and it's going to go ahead and take you to the Google. You could do it the rest of the other as well. You could also do it in the Google page, just like this. Long press, select the video, and this is how you will be able to enable Circle to Search on Android. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.